Hey guys, what's up and warm welcome again and welcome back to our channel Accessible Computing, access to technology with accessibility. Friends, are you searching a good voice recorder application? Friends, do you want to record your voice in high quality? And do you want to record your voice in professional mode? So today's video is very important for you because today I am going to share an application with you which is very small and very accessible for us to record our voice in a very high and professional quality, and there are also some special settings which is really helpful for us. So without any delay, after subscribe, like, share, comment, let's jump. So the application name is smartrecorder. Let me turn on the application.
Ratulbasak, smartrecorder, recordings button.
After turning on, you have to allow some settings like microphone, storage, etc. to record microphone to record your voice and storage to store your files. Now I am going to tell you what are the options there.
Start more skip remaining time.
Remaining time. I don't know what is this. So let me check it.
Remaining space is enough for 301 hours of recording at 44.1 kilohertz.
Okay, so when you click the remaining time options or when you double tap on the remaining time options, it will tell you the remaining time of how much recording you can do with the help of this application. What is your storage remaining? Now I am swiping from left to right.
Skip silence.
Skip silence. This is a very good option, but for professional recordings, don't use this type of options. If you want to use these options, like if you turn this on, then if your voice is crossed the threshold, the selected threshold by application developer, your voice was muted. That's why I am telling you not to choose this option.
More options button.
More options. Let's see what are the options in more options.
Pop dash up window.
Pop up.
About remove ad. About app.
About.
Remove ads.
Remove ads.
Settings 3 of 4.
Settings. In settings there are some options.
Settings. Sample rate open parent quality close parent. Bigger rate means better quality but larger file size
rate.
and list.
Sample rate you can sample. You can set any sample rate, but for professional recording purpose you have to set 41 kilohertz. Like
8 11 16 22 32 kilohertz. Ticked 44.1 kilohertz open parent CD close parent.
Yes.
Cancel button.
Okay, so this
Settings.
should be saved.
Pause during phone calls. Off. Switch.
This is a very good option. Now I am turning it on.
On. Do not disturb. Switches your
Do not
phone to
disturb.
silent mode during recording process. Off. Switch.
Yes, this is also very good option. You can turn it on.
Switches your microphone adjustment.
Microphone.
Do not disturb back.
Okay.
Android accessibility suite.
Okay,
not allowed.
okay.
1 of 67.
So to
Settings.
give the
Microphone
access, to turn on the do not disturb settings, you have to give the access to accessibility suite. Okay, so if you think you can turn on, or if you think it is harmful for you or it is harmful for you, then you can turn it off also.
Keep screen on. Screen will be kept on while recording running and main screen active. Off. Switch.
Yes, it's very important.
Screen will be kept on while hide from media players. Your recordings will not be added to the library in most media players. Off. Switch.
No issues.
File name and title.
File name and title, you can check it on your own.
Location of recordings.
Location.
/storage /emulated /0 crash recording. Help us fix it soon.
Okay, that's all.
More options button. Start recording button.
Start recording button. If you click here, the recording will be started, and once recording will be started, you will get two buttons, one cancel and one finish button. Once your recording is completed, just click on finish button to stop it. Okay, as I am recording this video, though I am not able to show you in live, but I will show you now. I will play a audio clip in front of you and you can able to listen what is the audio quality. So let's listen, then I am coming back.
Remaining time
Welcome to Accessible Computing. Subscribe our channel and press the bell icon. Choose all notifications to get latest updates. Don't forget to join our Telegram channel. The link is in the video description. Also, you can find the Telegram channel by searching in Telegram app. In Telegram channel, you will get all the video links and application links, and also you will get many types of updates in one place. Keep watching, keep enjoying. So friends, you have already listened the audio quality. What is the audio quality? And please comment below what is the audio quality and how you like this.
Recording
Now
button.
here is option of recordings. If you click recordings, you will get the
Recordings. Recording
like
2, January demo, January 13th,
Demo.
17. Recording 2, January 3rd, 15:25,
Okay.
00:30.
these all are the
Web
recordings.
view, out of list. Recording,
If I click on sorry, if I
demo, recordings. Demo, January 13th,
If I play the recording-
0. Demo, January 3rd. Recording
welcome
2,
to
January
Accessible Computing. Subscribe
Media
our
volume
channel
controls shown.
and
Swipe
press
up.
the bell
Web view,
icon.
out of list.
Choose all notifications to
January
get
13th.
latest
Expand
updates.
recordings.
Don't
Expand.
forget to join our
100%
Telegram
media.
channel.
Slider, out
The
of
link
list.
is in
70%
video
media.
description.
Select.
Also,
Expand.
you can find the Telegram
Recordings.
channel by
Boom
searching
arms designed.
Telegram app.
Setting up sound for. Setting up sound for your broadcast.
You will get
Stream
all
has never been this easy.
and
Open. Open.
application links
Button.
and
Note
also
70. 00. Skip back. Button.
skip back,
Play/pause.
play
Button.
slash pause. I'm
Play/pause.
pausing the video.
Selected.
Now let's see what are the options there.
Skip forward. Button.
Skip forward.
Menu. Button.
There is a menu. Let's see what are the
Pop
options.
dash up window. Share 1 of
Share.
4. Rename 2
Rename.
of 4. Delete 3 of 4.
Delete.
Details 4 of 4.
Details. So if you want to share the recordings with your friends and family, you can easily share from here. Okay.
Menu button out of
So
list.
friends, this is for today, and I hope this video is very helpful for you to record your classes and record your any important notes, any important things in WAV format. Okay, there is no MP3 format. I am making this video for those people who want to record for official or recording purpose, like if you want to create podcast, if you want to tell any audio stories, professional purpose. So you can use this application. It's very simple and very easy, and it's free application. Thanks for watching this video. See you in the next video. Till then, stay safe, take care, bye bye.